Bad guys. Soft work.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Chisom, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys something different. So I'll be showing you guys how I wash my wigs. So the reason I thought of this idea is because of the whole coronavirus situation going on. Things are being shut down, beauty supply stores and hairdressers are being shut down, so there's no way for me to take care of my hair other than using a wig or doing some other protective styles that are easy to do at home. So that's why I decided to show you guys how I care for my wigs. So first, I'm starting off by detangling my wig. It's okay to have minimal shedding, like you can see here. Next, I'll be using my Cantu shampoo, and I'm not going to apply the shampoo directly to the wig. I'm going to apply it to the water instead. So what I like doing is I like to run the water halfway and then put in the shampoo while the water is running, just so it helps me create the bubbles. And then after that, I'll be putting the wig into the water. So again, I'm just passing the wig through the water. This helps to remove any dirt that could be in the wig. Also, you may notice that the water is a bit dirty, just because I had makeup on the scalp area of the wig. For those who don't know, you add makeup to the scalp part of your wig just to create that illusion of a natural look, like scalp. So now I'll be draining the water out, just because if it's that dirty, then that means it needs a second go. So I'll be doing the same thing, applying the shampoo to the water and then passing the wig through the water, while basically like focusing on the scalp area because of the makeup. That's where most of the dirt is coming from. Also, I forgot to mention that I use warm water to wash my wigs. Now, the next thing I'll be using is the Cantu Deep Treatment Mask. I use this as a conditioner. Again, I'm not applying it directly to the wig. I'm just putting it in the water, basically using the water to break it down because it's like this thick paste texture. And then I'll be doing the same thing where I pass the wig through the water. So this basically, the reason I also don't like applying the products directly to the wig is because they tend to get stuck. The product tends to get stuck in the wigs, and it can be very difficult to take off if you actually notice me trying to take off some of those particles. So now I'm just using a comb just to run through the wig, just to make sure it's all nice and detangled. And it's okay if the water is not completely clear. The wig is still clean. So now I'm going to take a plastic bag and I'm going to put the wig inside the plastic bag and make sure I tie it very tightly. So after it's been tied very tightly, I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute. This helps, this basically acts like a heating cap. So because it's not on the scalp, I can put it in the microwave and it will help heat the hair, so the conditioner acts more on the hair and just makes it much more soft. Now you will notice when I take out the wig, you would notice the difference. It's much more silkier, it's much more softer, it even feels soft. So again, I'm going to detangle the hair one more time before I rinse it out. So now I'm going to be rinsing out the conditioner, making sure that I have every single conditioner out before I let it dry. And for the finishing process, I'm using cold water just to seal in the products that I use. So after rinsing out the conditioner, I'm going to squeeze out as much water as I can, so I can leave it to dry. So now that I've squeezed out the water, I like to leave my wig on my mannequin head to dry, just to air dry. And also I like putting a towel on the floor. I like to double fold the towel just so it doesn't wet my carpet. And then I'm detangling it some more. If you notice how smooth the scalp looks, this is why I like putting it in the microwave for 1 minute. Also, I know the scalp looks messed up, but I'm going to explain that, like, basically what happened in another video coming up. So basically this is how I wash my wig. If you want to see more videos about my wigs, then just keep watching. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.